Hello, my name is Nicoleta and I studied electrical and electronic engineering. Right now my first job after graduation is as a graduate substation engineer for National Grid. My degree helped me a lot in getting my first graduate job because of its diversity. Electrical and electronic engineering will help you gathering a wide range of information from coding to protection systems to apparatus and processing information, which then opens you a larger variety of job applications that you can go for. Especially for the company I work for, National Grid, it helped me a lot with understanding the safety procedures, but also how to maybe code a PLC, which sometimes might be used within the grid. My dissertation in my third year involved building dust particle sensor. The main challenge was I had to use as raw materials as possible, for example, a dielectric material, a conducting material, and create the sensor, and then test it, use the oscilloscope to manage to take my readings and everything, and actually having a finished product. I chose to study at this university because I felt welcomed from the start. I attended their open day and later on also their offer holder day, which I would highly encourage everybody to come because it can change your perspective. I found a lot of help and support at the University of Greenwich to help me progress into the course I wanted, which was engineering. They helped me with the application process and they showed me how I can get to my dream course and later on my dream job.